Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Friends, today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very simple dolly pattern. I have made this project in two colors. If you want to make it in one color, then you can do it. This is a very simple, very beautiful and very easy pattern. So let's start the video, friends. But before starting the video, I have a request. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. So let's start the video. Okay, make 7 chains and add your work with first chain. Three chain and 19 double crochet in hole. You have to make 20 double crochet total. Three chains and 19 double crochet. Now add your work with third chain. Add it with slip stitch. Again make 3 chains and one more double crochet at the same place. In this round you have to make 2 double crochet in each previous double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in each. Okay, now there is 2. Now in second double crochet, make 1 double crochet and one more double crochet at the same place. In this way you have to make 2 double crochet in each double crochet. At the end of the work you will have 40 double crochet. Okay, now I have 40 double crochet. Add your work with third chain. With slip stitch, make a chain, cut your thread and add the new one. Here I add white color. Now make 5 chains. 4, 5. Skip 1 double crochet and add your work in the next one. Again make 5 chains, skip 1 double crochet and add it with the next one. Repeat the same process and over the round. Make 5 chains, skip 1 double crochet and add it with slip stitch in next one. Repeat it to over the round. Okay, now I have completed my round. Again make 5 chains for the next round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and add it with the first chain net. This is the first chain net. Add your work with net. Make a slip stitch and add it. Again make 5 chain. Four, 5 and add it with the next one. In this way you have to make chain nets of 5 chains. Again make 5 chains and add it. Repeat the same pattern and make 4 to 5 rounds with the same process. Make 5 rounds of chain nets with the same process. Okay, now here I have completed my 5 rounds. Make a slip stitch, cut your thread and add the new one at the joining point. Make a chain, cut your thread and add the new thread. Make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. And now make 5 double crochet at the chain, 5 double crochet at chain and 1 double crochet at the joining point. 2 3 4 and 5, and make 1 double crochet at the joining point. This is the joining point where you have add your chain, and again make 5 double crochet at the chain and 1 at the joining point. And 1 at joining point. So repeat the same process and over the round. Repeat it in each chain and joining point. 5 at chain and 1 at the joining point. And at last, add your work with the chain, third chain, add it with slip stitch, this is the proper look of your dolly. And here friends, I have 119 double crochet. I have total 119 double crochet in this round. Now make 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And now skip 1 2 double crochet and add your work with the third double crochet. Add it with third one. Skip 2 double crochet and add with third one. Now make 4 slip stitch in next 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Again make 10 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Skip 1 double crochet and add it with the next one. Repeat the same process and over the round. Again make 4 single crochet, 4 slip stitch in next 4 double crochet. Make 10 chains, skip 1 double crochet and add your chain with the next one. Repeat it and over the round. Okay, now my work is ready and let's start to give it a leaf shape. So giving it a leaf shape, make 8 double crochet, 8 double crochet in chain. Fill the chain with 8 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now make 3 chains, 3 chains, 1 2 3 and 8 more double crochet. 8 more double crochet in the same chain. So you have to make 8 double crochet, 3 chain and 8 double crochet in one chain ring. And now add your work with the second slip stitch. There is 3 slip stitch, so add your work with the middle one. This is the proper leaf. Again fill the next chain ring with 8 double crochet, 3 chain and 8 double crochet. Again 8 double crochet. Now look, 8 double crochet, 3 chain and 8 double crochet again in the next leaf. You have to repeat the same process and over the round. Repeat it and over. At the end of the work, add your work with the middle slip stitch. Now make a chain, cut the thread. Add the new one at the 3 chain space. Again add the second color. I mean, if you use white color, then use it again. Now make chains. Make 10 chains. And add it with the next 3 chain space. 3 chain space of next leaf. Make a slip stitch and add it. Again make 10 chains and add your work with the next leaf. Repeat the same process and over the round. Repeat it and over the whole round. At the end, last chain add with the first 3 chain space. Okay, now start to fill the chain with half double crochet. Make 11 half double crochet in chain and 1 half double crochet at the joining point. You have to make total 12 half double crochet in one chain space. You have chains and fill the chain with 12 half double crochet. Again half, 11 half double crochet at the chain and 1 half double crochet at the joining point. Okay, now make 1 at joining point. And now I have total 12 double crochet in one chain. You have to repeat the process in each chain. Make 11 half double crochet in one chain and 1 half double crochet at the joining point. Repeat it and over the round. And at the end of the round, add your work with the first chain. Add it with the first half double crochet. And again start making chain knit. You have to make again this chain knit. So repeat it. Again make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And skip 1 and 2 half double crochet. Make 5 chains, skip 2 half double crochet and add your work with the third half double crochet. Again 5 chains, skip 2 half double crochet and add it. Repeat the same process and over the round. Skip 2 half double crochet and add it with the next one. 2 and add. Okay, now repeat the same process to over the round. If you think friends that there is curling in your work, then skip 3 double crochet and then add your work. At the end of the work, add the last chain with the first chain knit. Add it with the first chain knit. Again make 5 chains and add it with the second chain knit. Repeat it and make 4 to 5 more rounds with the same pattern. Repeat the same process and make 4 to 5 rounds. You have to make as same as the first chain knit. Now I have completed my work. Cut the thread and add the new one at the joining point again. Make 3 chains and 3 double crochet, add chain and 1 double crochet at joining point. In this way you have to make 4 double crochet in each. 3 and make 1 at the joining point. Again 3 double crochet in chain and 1 at the joining point. Repeat the same process and over the round. One, 2 and 3 and 1 at the joining point again. Repeat it and over the round. You have to make 4 double crochet in each. And now at the end of the work, add your work with the 3 chain. Add it with the third chain. And now again make leaves. Make 12 chains. Skip 3 double crochet. Skip 1, 2 and 3 and add your work with the next one. So insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Chain ring is ready. Now make 4 slip stitch in next 4 double crochet. 2, 3 and 4. Again make 12 chain and add it with the fourth one. Skip 3 double crochet and add with slip stitch. Repeat the process and over the round. And at the end of the work, make 2 slip stitch. And now start to fill the chain ring. This time make 9 double crochet, 3 chain and 9 double crochet in 1 chain ring. start making 9 double crochet first. Double crochet and make 3 chains. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and again make 9 double crochet in the same chain. In this way you have to make 9 double crochet, 3 chains and 9 double crochet in each chain ring. Now add your work with the second number slip stitch. You have 3 slip stitch, so add it with the second one. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch again. Now my first leaf is ready. Repeat the same process and make 9 double crochet, 3 chain and 9 double crochet in each chain ring. Repeat it again and make 9 double crochet. And after doing it, add your work with the second number slip stitch. Repeat the same process and over the round now you can see my whole work is ready, and this time you have to make the second chain net, same chain, same half double crochet and same chain net. Repeat it again one more time and make it. I will skip that part because it is similar to the second chain net, so make it and complete your work. In the second chain net part I have made 10 chains, and after that 12 half double crochet, and after that chain net of 5 chains. So repeat it again and do it one more time. Okay, now my work is ready and I have done similar as second chain net, same chain, same half double crochet and same chain net. Here I have taken 5 chains in chain net, but if you think that there is curling in your work, then you can take 4 chains in your work. And now let's start to make the final border of the project. Add the thread at the joining point. Now start with 3 chains. Insert the hook and make 2 double crochet in chain and 1 double crochet at joining point. Insert the hook and make 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet in chain. In this way you have to make 2 double crochet in chain and 1 double crochet at the joining point. In this way you have to make 3 double crochet in each chain. Again 2 double crochet in chain and 1 double crochet at the joining point. This is the second double crochet, and now make 1 at joining point. So repeat the same process and over the round. Make 2 double crochet in chain and 1 at joining point. At the end of the work, add your work with 3 chain, third number chain, and now make the final border. Make 1 chain and 1 double crochet at the same place. One more double crochet with the same place, but this time make bigger than the last one. Again 1 double crochet at the same place and again bigger than the last one. In this way, give it a leaf shape. Now I have 4 double crochet. Now make 3 chain picot. Make 3 chain. Insert the hook in last double crochet chain. Insert the hook in last double crochet and make a slip stitch or single crochet. Look at the video and do the same. Now make a slip stitch. And now again make 4 double crochet in this next double crochet. Make 4. One double crochet. This time make bigger to small. Second double crochet will be small than the last one. Third will be small than the last one. Now make 1 chain and add your work with the same chain. Add it and make a slip stitch. In this way, leaf is ready. You can see, friend. Now skip 3 double crochet. Make slip stitch in 3 double crochet. 1 slip stitch. Make 1 more in second one and 1 more slip stitch in the third one. Make 1 more slip stitch for making the same leaf which you have done previously. Now make 1 chain and again 3 more double crochet, smaller to bigger. Second double crochet will be bigger than the last one and third will be more bigger than the last one. Now again make a 3 chain picot, insert the hook and make a picot. And now 3 double crochet, 1 chain in the next side. Repeat the same process and over the round. And now my whole work is ready and it looks awesome. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.